Alrighty, we're going to be doing some soldering. We're going to solder two wires together, so we're going to turn our soldering iron on and see the temperature there. And we have some solder paste for electronic soldering. First we'll do a sample with two wires. So we're going to make a splice. So we'll take our strippers and we'll strip our wire. And I'll bring the camera down close after I'm going to wet my sponge, because keeping your soldering iron clean is the key to soldering. So you'll take the two wires you want to splice together here. I'll turn my light on so you can see it. We'll twist them together. We'll get them like this. We'll twist our strands together like that, and I'll bring these around this way. So we have what we want to solder here. We'll take our solder paste. We'll use like a little clean plastic applicator here. We'll put some flux on here. This is electrical solder, rosin core. So we'll clean our tip off. We'll tin our tip. We'll come over, we'll touch our wire, heat our wire. Get some solder on our iron there. See how we have a really nice clean solder joint there? That's what we want. And when we're done, we'll tin our iron. And I'll bring the camera down close so you can see the solder joint. Okay, so there it is. You just see some of the flux that took away the oxidation on the wire. So you can just clean that off with some alcohol or with a damp rag. Let it dry, and then you can put some heat shrink or tape on the splice.